Hello everybody, welcome to the very first episode of my basic Java tutorial introduction thingy. Okay, so this episode we're going to talk about making your first program and also how to actually set up your Java environment. So what you want to do is go into Google, type in JDK, and then it will be the first link from the Oracle site. Make sure it is from the Oracle site. They are the people that run Java. And it will be this right here. Java Platform JDK 8U45. And then it'll take you here and then download whichever version you want. This is 64-bit and that's 32-bit. So, and I will be using Windows in this tutorial series, so it should be cross-platform, the basic idea, but setting it up is going to be platform specific. I don't know how to do it for Linux and whatnot, but I have a feeling it's pretty similar. So anyway, you want to download that and run it, and it will install, let's see, where is it? Okay, so I've gone ahead and made a new folder, and inside of it, oh wait, I gotta, okay, so what you want to do is go into your system settings, advanced system settings. Then over here you will see, under advanced, you will see a button called environment variables. Go ahead and click that. If you do not have this right here, variable name path, variable value, wherever your JDK is installed, like it'll be in your Java directory, and then JDK, whatever the name, /bin. That should be your variable value. If you don't have that, just make it. Make sure that you spell it right. It does need to be all caps path. Go ahead and click OK for that. Save all that stuff. Okay, so if you did that right, it should all be good and ready. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and make a new text document. We're going to open that up. It doesn't matter what the name is yet. We can always do that in post, or not post, after we finish. So, how are we going to start it out? Hold on, I need a drink. What we need to do is tell Java that this is a class. So, we want public class, and then your class name. In this case, we're going to be hello world. All one word. Press enter. Okay, so if we just left this like this, nothing would happen. It's not going to work. What we need to do is do curly bracket, curly bracket. Everything within these two curly brackets is part of this class and will be run when a specific criteria is met. So after we've done that, we can go ahead and do public void right? Public static. Yeah, it needs to be a static. That's right. Public static void. And then the name of this method. In this case, we'll call it main, because this program needs a main class. So this is the first, or this is what will be referenced when you compile it, and it'll be like, hey, this is a thing, let's do it. So now we need string, array string, args, or arguments, and then we press enter. Curly brackets again. Now everything within these curly brackets here will be run when this method is referenced, or when the criteria of this method is met. So in this case, we will do system, capital S, system, dot out, lowercase, dot println, all lowercase, and then whatever these things are, parentheses, and then quotation mark, and a string. Whatever a string is, any text that you want said that will be echoed. So it's just like using the echo command pretty much. Now we will do hello world exclamation point. And then remember to close your tags. So now this ends the string, and then this ends the print. Now, if we don't, now basically this right here is just going to run through each line considering this, and it won't work. So, what we need to do is add a semicolon. This ends the line, tells the computer, okay, that's what you need to do, just do this, and then stop. So, that's about it. We can save that, and then we can go here, F2, and this must be the same name as this, exactly the same, .java. Yep. I have a thing installed, so it's gonna call it that, or it's gonna change the icon. I don't know what yours will look like. So what you need to do is hold Shift and right click, open your command window there, and it'll show you that it'll show you your directory. Now what we need to do is Java C, all lowercase, and then if you press Tab, it auto-completes. So this is the Java compiler. It will say it'll compile whatever .java file you have here. We press Enter, and then it compiles. You can see it created a class file here. Now to run that, we type Java, press Tab, hello world, no file extension for when you're running the program. And there you go. It says hello world. That means our program works, that means our compiler works, and that means that we set up our environment variables properly. And that's all for today. Go ahead and ask any questions. I'll be available to answer them when I have time. Thanks for watching, and your homework, yes, you're getting homework. I want you to make a hello world file, test your setup, make sure it works properly, and if it doesn't, tell me. No, if it doesn't, then you need to figure it out on your own and see what you did wrong. And that's it. Code on.